Have you ever promised yourself you'd wake up at 5 a.m. to change your life, only to hit snooze 3 times and open your eyes at 8 feeling disappointed? Maybe you've heard that successful people wake up early. Maybe you tried it once, twice, maybe 10 times, and every time you told yourself, I'm just not a morning person. But what if the first hour of your day decides the direction of your entire life? What if one simple habit, waking before sunrise, could turn struggle into success? This is the story of a man who had nothing until 5 a.m. became his turning point. Stay till the end, because this might be the wake-up call you need. In a small industrial town filled with humming factories lived a 32-year-old man named Thomas. Thomas worked nights as a security guard at a textile warehouse. 8 p.m. in, 6 a.m. out. Every morning he walked home exhausted while the town slowly came alive. His apartment was tiny, a mattress on the floor, a broken fan, one flickering bulb. Shoes worn thin. Clothes faded. But worse than poverty was the feeling that haunted him every day. Is this all my life will ever be? As he passed houses with families eating breakfast, kids packing school bags, men leaving in clean shirts for office jobs, Thomas would think, everyone is waking up to their dreams, and I'm walking home from mine. He wasn't lazy. He worked all night, stayed alert, did his duty, but nothing changed. He slept from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., feeling like life was moving forward without him. There has to be another way, he kept thinking. One cold November morning, just as his shift ended, his phone rang. It was his sister. Thomas, you need to come home. Mama collapsed. 3 hours on the bus felt like 3 years. At the clinic, his mother lay weak but awake. The doctor said stress and exhaustion had taken their toll. She held his hand and whispered, "My son, don't waste your life like I did. Find a way. Promise me." Something broke inside Thomas, not with sadness, with determination. Outside, dawn was breaking. It was 5 a.m. The village slept, but farmers were already walking to the fields. Birds were singing, and Thomas whispered to himself, "No more. I will not live like this forever." On the bus back to town, he noticed a well-dressed man calmly reading. It was Mr. Chen, a successful shop owner. At 6 a.m., Thomas gathered courage. "Sir, why are you up so early?" Mr. Chen smiled. "I wake at 4:30. That's when I think, read, and plan, before the world distracts me." Thomas frowned. "I work nights. I sleep in the morning." Mr. Chen nodded. "So you're awake when the world sleeps, and asleep when opportunities exist." Then he leaned in. "The hours between 5 and 7 a.m. Those are life-changing hours." Thomas felt hope rise. But how? Change your schedule. Protect those 2 hours. Use them to build your future. He wrote his number on a card. "Call me, if you're serious." Thomas was serious. He met Mr. Chen days later at a cafe. "You acted," Mr. Chen said. "Most people only talk." He drew a house. "Your life is this house. Right now, the foundation is weak. 5 to 7 a.m., that's when you rebuild it. 2 hours a day, 14 a week, 700 plus a year, 3 extra months of life. Used wisely. Then the system. Hour 1, learn a skill. Hour 2, train your body and sharpen your mind. 3 rules. No skipping mornings. Sleep early. Push through discomfort. Do this for 90 days, Mr. Chen said. Then show me what you've built. The alarm screamed at 5 a.m. Thomas wanted to quit, but he stood up. Week 1 was brutal. Excel tutorials, walking in the dark streets, reading about accounting, day after day. Then something changed. By week 3, he woke before the alarm. Courses finished, certificates earned, confidence rising. In month 3, he built an inventory system for his warehouse. Management noticed. Day 87. Promotion. Double salary. Office job. Thomas had done it. 1 year later. Lead accountant. Better home. Mother receiving proper care. Still waking at 5 a.m. Not because he had to, because that's where winners are built. And now, this question is for you. Will you wake up tomorrow at 5 a.m.? Not someday, tomorrow. Choose one skill. Commit for 90 days, protect your sleep, stop scrolling, start building. Because the difference between where you are and where you want to be is what you do while everyone else is sleeping. Your future is waiting on the other side of that alarm clock. Will you meet it or hit snooze again?